Together, Calculated Industries Laser Dimension Master 165BT and the Laser Dimension Master Connect app are the perfect solution for measuring projects by yourself and sharing them with your team instantly. The LDM has a rechargeable battery that works with the included USB cable. It takes about 5 hours to fully charge and indicates the charge on the screen. To set the unit of measurement you want to use, toggle through the function button. It is the 8th function you will reach. Once you get there, you can press the plus and minus keys to move through the measurement options to include inches, decimal feet, feet inches, or meters. To use, press the on button. One press turns it on, a second press turns on the laser, and a third press conducts the measurement, followed by a beep to show when the measurement is complete. To save power, the laser turns off after 30 seconds, and the device turns off after 10 minutes of inactivity. The plus and minus buttons have different functions depending on which mode the device is in. In the linear, area, or volume measurement modes, you can use them to add or subtract measurements. In the Bluetooth mode, they turn the function on or off. In the reference point mode, you can change the reference point from the front or the back of the unit. In the memory mode, you can use them to scroll through the last 50 measurements. Repeated pressing of the function button scrolls through the reference point, the measuring mode, the memory mode, and the unit mode. Pressing the Bluetooth button selects the mode, allowing you to turn the Bluetooth on or off. The Clear Off button lets you clear the most recent measurement. Pressing this button while with the clear display will return you to the linear measurement mode. If you press and hold the button for 2 seconds, it will turn the device off. On your display, an arrow indicates you're in the linear measurement mode. A square shows you're in the area measurement mode. A cube shows the volume mode. A right triangle indicates the basic indirect height mode. The isosceles triangle is the symbol for the advanced indirect height full mode. The skewed triangle identifies the advanced indirect height partial mode. The icon for each mode will prompt you through each necessary measurement with a blinking red line. For example, the blinking red segment in the cube icon indicates that the width is to be measured next. For basic height, press the function key until you see the right triangle. With the laser on, press the on button to measure the diagonal and its corresponding angle to calculate the height. The height will be outlined in red when the calculation is complete and will display at the bottom of the screen. For the advanced indirect height full, press the function key until the isosceles triangle appears. Then with the laser on, press the on button to measure the first diagonal and its corresponding angle. Then measure the second diagonal and its corresponding angle to calculate the height. The height will be outlined in red when the calculation is complete and will display at the bottom of the screen. Cool. The advanced indirect height partial requires you press the function button until the skewed triangle icon displays. With the laser on, press the on button to measure the first diagonal and its corresponding angle. Then measure the second diagonal and its corresponding angle to calculate the height. The height will be outlined in red when the calculation is complete and will display at the bottom of the screen. Don't forget to use the LDM Connect app to share with your team.